melody one me and my mom wrote. It's called Little Blackbird. I really like this one. I hope you do too. Little blackbird sitting in the window. Little blackbird, listen to me cry. Little blackbird sitting in the window. What shall I do? My sweet Grayson left early on that wagon train. When he left, I felt too old and will not meet here again. Little blackbird sitting in the window. Little blackbird, listen to me cry. Little blackbird sitting in the window. What shall I do? Sat outside upon our front porch, listening to the rain. That apple tree needs a picking, guess it laughed away. Little blackbird sitting in the window. Little blackbird, listen to me cry. Little blackbird sitting in the window. What shall I do? The river's high and getting higher, way up past the gate. If that rain don't stop the falling, the dam is bound to break. Little blackbird sitting in the window. Little blackbird, listen to me cry. Little blackbird sitting in the window. What shall I do? Nights are falling, hear water rushing past my door. My sweet Grayson from Jordan's calling me out to the shore. Little blackbird sitting in the window. Little blackbird, listen to me cry. Little blackbird sitting in the window. What shall I do? Fly away, blackbird, fall from my window pane. Cry for me, blackbird, this water is my grave.